Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to set the timeout in this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, then let's find display and brightness, and here let's choose auto screen off. Here we've got some options to choose from, for example 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So now it is set for 2 minutes, but let me pick for example 15 seconds, and from now on, after 15 seconds of inactivity, our REALME C15 will black out. So that's all. This is how you set timeout in your REALME C15, and thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.